Hello friends, welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gunir Arc A750 Elden Ring Edition graphics card. So friends, the Gunir, one of the Intel's largest partner for the Arc Alchemist launch and is already introduced 15 HQ based on Intel A7, A5 and A3 series, and the company has announced that the Arc A770 and Arc A750 Photon will be available in special custom variant inspired by the game Elden Ring, and the card retains its black color scheme but feature new gold accents with custom fan stickers and entirely new backplate. And the Gunir is now confirming that their A750 Photon Elden Ring edition will ship with 2.4 GHz clock speed, which is 350 MHz above Intel's FS specification, and then specs are used by the vast majority of A750 custom design at this time. And the ARC A750 has 28 Xe cores combined with 8 GB GDDR6 memory, and both cards have a 256-bit memory bus and use dual 8-pin power connectors, and Gunir has set a PL1 to 194, which is how the companies refer to the nominal power consumption. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.